Hi there. If you are someone who is tired of living from paycheck to paycheck, worried about retirement, or simply dreaming of more freedom, I want to share something with you that changed my life. Recurring income. I'm Lynette Barnos. I'm from Van der Bijl Park, and I'm helping entrepreneurs, professionals, and anyone who needs a recurring income so that they can live a stress-free, debt-free life and can start to work on their bucket lists. Recurring income is money that comes in month after month without you needing to start over every time. It's like planting a tree. You water it, nurture it, and then one day it provides shade, fruit, and comfort, year after year. That's what recurring income does. It's smart, sustainable, and deeply freeing. Most people rely on a job, trading hours for money. The moment they stop working, the money stops too. And with rising living costs, retrenchments, and uncertain retirement systems, that's a risky way to live. I know, because I have lived it. After being retrenched, my husband and I faced real financial pressure. We tried different things. I used my hands to earn, stained glass, wood carving, pottery. But as I got older, I realized I needed a different kind of income, one that didn't rely on my energy or time. That's when I discovered the system, a legitimate, registered platform that allowed me to build recurring income by just sharing information. No selling, no pressure. And the best part, it grows every month. Today, I receive income even if I'm not actively working. That's what gives me peace of mind, freedom, and yes, holidays, time with my family, and even a free car. Recurring income isn't just for the wealthy. It's for teachers, mums, students, professionals, anyone who wants to live life with less stress and more choice. It's not the quick money, but it's real money, and it builds over time. If this resonates with you, if you want to know what system I use and how you can start building your own recurring income, just comment below, message me directly, or check the description for more information. Let me help you to escape the 9-to-5 trap and start building something that truly lasts. Because it's never too late. And if you're never too young to create financial freedom. Have a wonderful day. See you next time. Bye for now.